Well, I'm Alan Duick, and I'm the co-CEO of Premier Equipment. So in choosing our construction partner, obviously one of the main things is that they're reputable. They have a history and they have experience in a build of our type. But one of the biggest ones that was key for us was there's a local flavor, and the local flavor being the fact that they've recently built a building in Listowel, the local arena. So obviously the community is familiar with them, and that was a big part of our decision as well. We were slightly delayed in the process, obviously, because of unforeseen delays as a result of COVID. But we had the challenge of dealing with steel being delayed, which was something that was industry-wide. Through that, Ball did a really good job of managing our expectations, using their experience, using their industry-wide reputation to ensure that they could advocate on our behalf with the trades to make sure that we were a priority and made sure that we got the job done. One of the biggest areas that we focus on when we design our buildings is our shop. And we really work hard in our shop to make sure it's a really welcoming environment. We do that throughout the facility, but particularly with our shop, we provide some features that are likely unique. And one of them is the large translucent doors that allow a lot of natural light in, which is an investment we make to make sure it's a very inviting environment for the people working back there. Also floor heat throughout the facility. One of the unique areas that's a challenge typically in building these facilities is the wash bay. With all the environmental restrictions around handling the wastewater, just coming up with a facility that can regenerate its own water and use it again and again. That's a very complex system to work with, and that can be challenging. So that's one area that Ball Construction did well in, and also helped us redesign our wash bay in a way that did a little better job of handling the water and all the humidity. We have this standard that we're trying to incorporate in all of our facilities, and really the workmanship that Ball is putting into our front entrance, which required a fair amount of technical craftsmanship, was really well handled. Ball Construction really displayed they were quite professional in their processes. Obviously Ball's done a lot of projects, many bigger than our project. You know, it didn't really matter the fact that we're probably smaller than some of the larger projects they've done, but really applied a lot of that professionalism in honoring the trades as well as honoring our requests and balancing everything. I thought they did a great job of doing that and really trying to manage our expectations through the project as things progressed. One of our major convictions at Premier Equipment is integrity. That is obviously one of the main criteria for selecting Ball, and in knowing Rod, one of the vice presidents, his background and know him personally, also I know that Ball Construction displays the similar traits, and it wasn't a difficult selection for us. I'd recommend them to whatever type of facility you're looking at. They definitely have the expertise, which was displayed on our project for the various challenges we had that were unique to our industry, but they're really able to adapt and work with really any challenges that are presented to them.